Hey everyone, for today's video, I'll teach you how to reverse an Instagram reel or video. With this tutorial, you'll be able to view videos in reverse. So let's go to Instagram, and if we actually find the video here, we can't find any, but let's go to reels. If we go to options, which is the three dots, we actually can't tap on reverse because there's no option to reverse. So let's try remixing it. And we still can't do it here because there's no reverse option. How about let's try to make a video, and we still can't reverse it. So how do we reverse a video? So you're gonna need CapCut and then tap on new project. So you're gonna want to select your video and then tap on it and then tap on reverse. But it's gonna take a while, so I'm not gonna tap on it. And it's actually simple as that. If you think this video was helpful, please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.